Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy and healthy new year. I trust you had a great Christmas with your family. Here we really enjoyed the weather and meeting up with owners that were not able to come in 2020. It has been wonderful to see the resort full again with happy owners who really enjoyed the weather and their holiday. This is a short video to all of you that have contacted us since the 3rd of January to make the payment for the maintenance fees. We are amazed about the quick response from all of you. So I would like to say thank you very much for your support, and this is what makes Pearly Grey special. For those that are hesitating to come, I do encourage you to contact our reservations department and make your booking. As per the owner's comments, you will not regret. Our occupancy rates have been over 85% since September, and luckily everyone is having a great holiday. So once again, thank you very much for your support and looking forward to seeing you in the near future. Take care, bye!